Here's how you can boost your Hemi RAM performance if you're trying to get the best out of your 5.7 Hemi. What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a few things that you could do to really boost your Hemi RAM performance. I touch up on this topic a lot because I do own a 2014 4th gen Dodge Ram 1500 5.7. So a lot of people be sleeping on the 5.7 Hemi Rams or 5.7 in general, not knowing that the 5.7 Hemi, you really could, it has an overall better potential than the Hellcat or Scat Pack blocks. Why? Because number one is obviously you have a lot more options when it comes to modification with the 5.7 Hemi compared to the Scat Packs or Hellcats block and stuff. And you really could get some you could really gain Hellcat power with a 5.7 Hemi block just by you doing a few modification to be able to get there. Like, I touch up on this stock. I made a video about this before about how a 5.7 Hemi is better than the the 6.2 or 6.4, whatever you want to call it, but Scat Pack blocks and stuff like that. So today I'm touching up on this topic for the guys out there who really want to know how you can really turn up a notch and really be able to make some real good power with your Hemi RAM or whatever you have with a 5.7 Hemi. So these are some of the mods that I would recommend that you could definitely do. It's not going to be cheap, or it's not going to be something that's going to be, when you're doing something like this, you definitely don't want to buy cheap parts or eBay parts and stuff like that. You got to get from real aftermarket parts and definitely go to professionals, or if you do it yourself, that's good for you. But I'm going to get into this topic right now. So number one, if you want to make some real gains, obviously the first thing I would recommend is this is something I just recently started seeing. I didn't know before, but these trucks or the 5.7 Hemi blocks, motor, whatever, you could put a Hellcat supercharger Whipple kit on it. Like, pretty much there's Rams out there that has those, and they are pretty badass. I'm telling you, I've seen a few on YouTube with that, and it looked kind of sick. I ain't gonna lie, it looked kind of sick. I wouldn't even say kind of, it looked real sick. Like, it's something that's completely different. I feel like sometimes I wonder, like, why Dodge never did something like that. Why they never just create one of these trucks with like the Hellcat blower on there, or something a little bit more different. Like, I never understand why they never did that. Like, they got the Dodge Durango, they got the what is the other one, the Jeep Cherokees, but they never did a Ram, like the 4th gen's body style Ram 1500 with a Whipple blower on there like that. I definitely think that would have been like out of this world. But so you get yourself the Hellcat supercharger Whipple kit, or if you're not a fan of that, you could definitely go with the you can go with a Whipple, like just a regular Whipple. Doesn't even have to be the Hellcat comp, but a Whipple supercharger. Pretty much you can go with that. There's some Rams out there that have them, and there you go. That's step one. So step one is to get that. Obviously it's not going to be cheap, but it's going to be worth it at the end. Next is I will recommend that definitely if you want to, what's going to help you with that after you get your Whipple or supercharger and stuff like that on your vehicle. Obviously while you doing that is to invest in I wouldn't even say invest, but get bigger cams for your truck or your car. Go with bigger cams. Bigger cams gonna help you increase the power on your vehicle, and it's definitely gonna have some rowdy sounds too. It's definitely gonna help you get up there with making some real gains. So a bigger cam, you know, whatever spec you decide to go with, but just go with a bigger size cam, and that's definitely gonna be top notch. My next one on the list is to go with some long tube headers. I wouldn't recommend, I speak on this a lot, but I wouldn't recommend you go with short tube headers, but go with a good brand, long tube headers. It's gonna add a couple horsepower to your vehicle. Also gonna help with the sound and better, you know, better flow throughout the whole, you know, exhaust system for your vehicle. So, and next, for my guys out there who might not be wondering, like, you do a turbo, you can add turbo to your vehicle. If you don't wanna, not a fan of the supercharger, whatever this and that, you can go with the turbo style kit. There's a lot of different turbo style kit out there. Also, if that fits your needs, definitely go ahead and, you know, put that on your vehicle. And then the last but not least, I would definitely recommend you do is, obviously you got to do a muffler delete. Go with aftermarket system muffler. And with all of these I just named right now, like, I guarantee you, you will definitely be making some real Hellcat power. If you do these, like, it doesn't even matter, because like my truck is a four door, it's a crew cab, so, or quad cab, but it's a four door at the end of the day. It's not like a single cab. Regardless, there's, like, I've seen trucks on YouTube, these exact truck, four doors and stuff like that, making some crazy power. I'm talking like at least 1,000 wheels. Definitely way more than a stock Hellcat. But they making some real power, putting down, doing, like, giving out some real beat downs on. I seen like some cars out there. It's on YouTube, you know, you can do your research. So by doing those things I just named, that's really how you can really go about boosting your Ram 1500 performance. If you really want to make some real crazy power, that's really how you can really go about doing it. And I would suggest that, you know, definitely, obviously I'm not here to give you any kind of advice on anything, but obviously definitely seek, like, go to like a Mopar specialist or something like that, you know, like definitely talking, like, get some, you know, get the information that you need that's going to help you to be able to achieve these things, because obviously you're going to need a tune also when you're doing this. So that's like all this thing, definitely all of this I just named, definitely going to be able to help your Ram or your 5.7 Hemi, whatever you have that has a 5.7 Hemi, and it's going to help it make some real gains, like some real gains. So hopefully this vehicle, if you find this video helpful, definitely feel free to subscribe to the channel. I will appreciate it. And if you're a fan of Mopar, give your boy a follow, subscribe to the channel, man. Helping you out, you know, I appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.